Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I want all of you forever, you and me, every day. Grow old along with me, the best is yet to be. In your smile, I see something more beautiful than stars. You will forever be my always. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. Whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same. I love you more than I have ever found a way to say to you. If I had to choose between breathing and loving you, I would use my last breath to tell you I love you. I swear I couldn't love you more than I do right now, and yet I know I will tomorrow. True love stories never have endings. You make my heart smile. It was always you. In a sea of people, my eyes will always search for you. My heart is, and always will be, yours. We loved with a love that was more than love. There's no pretending. I love you, and I will love you until I die. Forever isn't long enough with you. Together is my favorite place to be. You are the love that came without warning. You had my heart before I could say no. I didn't choose you, my heart did. Every time I see you, I fall in love all over again. You're my favorite place to go when my mind searches for peace. Just you and me, forever and always. You complete me in a way I never knew was possible. When I say I love you, I mean it with every part of me. My love for you is a journey, starting at forever and ending at never. When I saw you, I fell in love, and you smiled because you knew. Forever is a long time, but I wouldn't mind spending it by your side.